Okay, you guys, we're going to look at algebraic expressions here. We're going to start combining some like terms. Now, all you do, here's a question. We'll start off with some real basic ones. We're just going to do basically combining like terms. If two terms have the same letter with the same exponent on it, then they're just called like terms. And if they're like terms, you can combine them. If they've got the same letter, well, there's 2a and there's 1a. Well, if they're like terms, they just combine. 2a plus 1a is 3a. So the 3b and the 2b I put them together and I get 5b. Some people want to, for some reason, when they see an a plus an a, put a squared, but that would mean that the a's were getting multiplied together, and they're not. It's just 2a's plus 1a is equal to 3a's. You could convince yourself with numbers that it works, but that's how it works. You've got 1a and 3, you've got 5c and 3c. They combine to equal 8c. And so there's your final answer, 3a plus 5b plus 8c. By combining the like terms, we made the whole thing simpler. Well, it gets a little bit harder sometimes when you have minuses involved. But here's the a's, 2a and minus a I'm going to put together, minus 3b and plus 2b I'm going to put together, and minus 5c and plus 3c I'm going to put together. I put them together because they're like terms, but now I got to be a bit careful. 2a minus 1a is just a, but minus 3b plus 2b, you have to think like a number line. You're down 3, and then you go 2 to the right, you'll be at minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 on your calculator would give you minus 1, and minus 3b plus 2b is minus b. Minus 5c plus 3c, you're down 5 in the number line. You move 3 to the right, you'll be at minus 2. Minus 3c plus minus 5c plus 3c is equal to minus 2c. Well, the questions can get a little bit harder in that, well, maybe you're looking for exponents on the top. This 4a squared is the same as this 2a squared. It's called a like term. So we can put the 4a squared and the 2a squared together. And you can put the 2a with the 5a together. I actually should have ordered this from a leading exponent down to the linear letter at the end. But you've got 5a cubed and 2a cubed. They're called like terms, so you can put them together. So you combine the like terms. I should have actually put the leading exponent first, then the 6a squared, and then the 7a. But now we do the same thing here, but we got the 5x and the minus 2x are like terms. We put them together. Minus 5x squared gets put together with plus 2x squared, and then minus 6x cubed gets put together with plus 3x cubed. Well, now we just have to figure it out. What is that? Well, 5x minus 2x is easy. That's 3x. But minus 7 plus 2, these are like terms, that equals minus 5x squared. And the last one, minus 6 plus 3 is negative 3x squared. So when you work out these negatives and positives, you have to think just like you would with integers. Negative 6 plus 3 would give you negative 3. Negative 5 plus 2 gives you negative 5. It's just you write down the like term. We're combining like terms. That's what the whole thing's about. We've got a whole bunch of questions warming up, combining like terms, some real easy ones, and then a whole bunch more to get good at this, combining like terms, and then ending with some ones that are a little bit more involved, like the ones we just finished with there. Well, I hope this helps. And there we go.